Hey, you're looking for a really cool side gig that you don't have to spend a lot of money on, but you can actually ramp up really, really quickly, and there's not a lot of training involved. And so, what you could actually do is go to the domain name auctions like Namejet and GoDaddy auctions and actually buy those names at a fairly cheap price, talking less than $100 per domain name, sometimes even less than that. And actually then use an online tool that actually will help you identify potential buyers, get all their contact information, and not only that, they will this tool will actually set up a drip email campaign where basically once you have put in all the contact information, which it gets for you, it will, while you're sleeping, send out the emails selling your domain names for you. This tool is called Pitchbox. Hi, this is Bill Hartzer. And if you're interested in learning more, the tool is pitchbox.com. I have been personally in the internet and domain name industry since 1996 and have bought and sold lots of domain names over the years. And this is one of my side gigs that actually I'm using some tools to buy domain names and then resell them for a very large profit. Sometimes a domain name less than $100 that I've purchased, and I will sell for thousands very soon, quick after.